Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the webhook not working error on Gumroad in 2026. And if your Gumroad webhook isn't working, your automations can completely break. That means customers don't get added to your email list, course access isn't granted, and CRM tools don't update. Membership system fails. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the Gumroad webhook not working error step by step. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is to verify the webhook's URL is correct. Now you're going to go to settings and go to here. You're going to go to your dashboard. Make sure to log into your settings. And then you're going to click on dashboard. Then you're going to scroll all the way down until you see the settings. It's next to gear icon. And then you're going to click on advanced. Here you're going to go and find the webhooks if they're here. And then you're going to check is the URL spelled correctly? Is the HTTPS? Does it include the full endpoint path? And even one missing character can break it. You can test the endpoint manually and use tools like Postman, webhook testing tools, and send the test post request to your endpoint and confirm it returns a 200 OK response. And if your server returns 404 wrong endpoint, 500 it means server error, and 403 it means permission issue. You need to fix it on your backend. Third thing you want to do is to check the server logs. If the webhook is firing but not working, check your server logs, look for registered requests, and confirm payload is being received. Most webhook failures are server-side issues, so make sure to verify the secret key validation, and if you're validating webhook signatures, make sure the secret key matches confirm batch verification logic is correct, because incorrect signature validation will reject valid requests. Also, make sure to check the firewalls and hosting restrictions. Some hosting providers block external post requests, unknown IP addresses, so whitelist Gumroad APS if needed. Now, webhook issues are usually caused by wrong URLs, servers errors, or signature mismatches. Test your endpoint, check server logs, and confirm your response is returning 200 OK, and your automation will start working again. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.